Hello everyone, welcome to Conversations That Matter with Aishni Sethi. Today I have this dynamic entrepreneur with me who's a director of IIGLS, Mrs. Geeta Nagarath. I welcome you, Mrs. Geeta.
Thank you so much, Aishni. Thank you.
So to begin with, I would like to ask you this question. How did you start with this journey of yours?
All right, so it takes me back to my childhood, I would say.
Yeah.
Because during my initial years of studies, I was very active as a student and all-time favorite of my teachers. I was class representative and finally became head girl also. And there was some spark, like I want to teach, or things like playing together. You always give me a role model as a teacher.
Okay.
So I visualized myself somewhere there.
Yeah.
But then I never knew that this was going to happen actually. So after like an early marriage and early kids and all in a very big family.
Yeah.
So I had a lot of other responsibilities as a homemaker. So my initial 15 years of marriage was like a homemaker only. And after that I took a plunge and I started my jewelry designing course.
Okay.
So that's how I started. That was the first step on the ladder, I would say.
Yeah.
And बस वहाँ से शुरुआत हो गई. उसके बाद I got an opportunity to teach in JD Institute, and then IFT was here, and then took it as a challenge, took over the institute in 2011.
Right.
And since then I've been working for the betterment of the institute and for the students to give them the best quality education in the city and the state. So that's how, my dreams come true somehow. The passage was all very, I would say it was gradual, but I did it with patience as a designer, as a jewelry consultant, did a lot of exhibitions before, and then finally ended up teaching and managing the institute.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you've been heading this institute for the past 14 years. How has the children that have come to you changed when you took the first batch and now the students that come to you?
Yes, I see a lot of difference. I would say they are more passionate. They know what they want to do. Unka parents ka support better ho gaya.
Right.
Pehle se people were not considering designing field as a career option. But now people know, like parents, they know. And I always used to give this message wherever I used to conduct a seminar to parents that give wings to your children, give them, a good support that they can fly high. And you should know their potential. Like initially होता था एक graduation कर लो, BA कर लो, BBA कर लो, commerce कर लो. So अभी students जो हैं वो थोड़ा इस field में आ रहे हैं, and because we are providing degree programs also.
Okay.
So with the international diplomas and degree programs, a combination we have created so that they understand the concept and then they can go further in their career very well.
Right. So practical knowledge is equally important with the theoretical knowledge.
Yes.
Does IIGLS give importance to practical knowledge too?
Yes, definitely. I believe in this, that without practical exposure, you cannot prove yourself. And I personally check this work, and the students are sent to different site visits to different industries regarding their respective fields, chahe fashion ho, chahe interior ho, chahe jewelry ho. So we organize these things, and fashion shows definitely every year, and exhibitions where they make their pieces, their products, and they understand the value, how to do the cost, and the main MRP, and how to deal with the clients.
Right.
That is very important. So all these things are part of my programs.
So on-job training is given a lot.
Yes, I give them internships, references for internships, and then they get placed according
nice.
to. Yes, all my students, I'm very proudly claim that they are working, they are doing very well in their fields, whether they are interior designers, whether they are jewelry designers, or they are fashion designers. They are all well placed.
Yeah.
Even at home, they are doing well. If they are not doing outside, they are doing for themselves also.
Yeah. So in a recent interview of yours only, I saw that one of the garment made in IIGLS is being displayed on the Milan runway.
Yes.
Could you please share more about it?
Yeah, sure, Rashni. It's a very proud moment for all of us being Punjabis, you know, because IMB is associated with us last year.
Okay.
And last year also, like in the first year, we did one show with them. One garment was selected last year, and this is the consecutive year we are participating.
This is the second one.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And this year we are more excited, and we have done our best. It was according to their protocol. The color was given to India was yellow.
Okay.
So all the Indian garments from other, franchises from IMB, they will all be sending yellow garment.
Okay.
So the tones were our choice. We got them, selected, and then the designs, the embroideries, every intricate part. Each and every intricate part was very, very seriously taken, and then they were selected, guided, had a lot of online sessions with them, and finally the protocol was like to make a prototype of the garment.
Okay.
We did 2-3 prototypes to get the best result. And then finally we did 28th of June. You all will be, if you follow my Instagram page, ift.ludhiana, you'll be able to watch the show.
It's a proud moment for all of us.
We'll be sending the snippets and the video recordings there.
So we'll be watching your Instagram then.
Rather, we were ready to go because, but we could not get the Schengen visa this time. The
Okay.
appointments were so late,
Yeah.
so we could not get the time. But next year we'll be prepared to go there. We are going to Milan next year, sure.
So, since you belong to a jewelry background, so one of the most frequently asked questions nowadays is these natural diamonds or lab-grown diamonds.
So, natural diamonds are definitely a treasure for everyone. Those who have, like, from the grandmas and all,
Yeah.
jo bhi hamara nani dadi ka bhi, we wear it so proudly and lovingly. So, wo hai, it's like millions of years old diamonds. Now, what we are getting is lab grown, is 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks, like few weeks. So, wo ek value point to bahut important hai ye. And it is like not as valuable as the natural diamond. But it is more pocket friendly, and people can buy from different, zones. Earlier, it used to be that only that upper class can buy diamonds. So this is one good thing. And the other thing is that you can assess, like an experienced person can see, like you don't have any inclusions, any color grades, nothing. That's plain, normal, natural diamond. Definitely the composition is same. But if you see the natural diamond, we always look forward for 4 C's. We say color, cut, clarity and carat. The weight is very important, and you get so many grades in that. So this is the main difference. Depends upon your pocket, whatever you can, afford, you can go for it.
But I think we all still relate very much to natural diamonds.
Definitely.
Lab-grown has
that has an aura in itself,
Yeah.
all the gemstones. If you talk about gemstones, this is one of the gemstones. It's like the king of gemstone, you can say. So the gemstones have some good reflections on your body when you wear it. According to your birthstones, you wear, some people wear yellow sapphire, some people wear, this coral, munga, जिससे बोलते हैं, वो भी पहनते हैं. And then they wear blue sapphire, which is neelam, which nobody wears at, casually. जिसको सूट करता है वही पहनता है. It's like that. So is diamond. अगर आप natural diamond पहन रहे हो तो उसका आपकी body के aura में definitely effect आता है. That gives you an, enlightenment and a different effect on your body. But ये lab grown diamonds में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So that part is missing, but otherwise it looks similar, definitely.
Yeah. So fashion, interior, jewelry, all under one roof.
Yeah.
And yours is an international institute. So do you also have international professors taking master classes?
Yes, we do have. It is from IMB campus, Italy. We have fashion designers and their professors who are taking classes, master classes. And we have, interior designers and architects from Indian sources, because we are teaching Indian architecture and interiors. So we base our studies on that. And even for jewelry, we have artists who give them rendering classes and some different master classes. And only our campus is providing throughout in Punjab, in Ludhiana. None other has this facility. And even for teachers, we arrange master classes to upgrade their skills.
Oh, how nice.
That's great.
So what are the other courses that IIGLS is providing? Are there some short-term courses as well for the kids who've not yet gotten their admission, or they're taking a gap year maybe?
Yes, Ashley, very important question, I would say, for the awareness of viewers who all are watching this, that we have so many courses under one roof, not only long-term programs and degrees like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years diplomas, as well as degree programs. And we have short-term programs right from a month to 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, where a person can groom himself or herself, as I take personal grooming classes also myself, like interview preparations or preparing yourself to go abroad, some important things which you have to take care. So all these things are in the campus. Even grooming programs like nail art programs, eyelash extensions, like during COVID we started with this also, because kids were getting bored at home. Then we started with this, and it really helped us, because students would come in one campus and learn so many other things. And students from schools are coming. Recently, we had a workshop with DAV students.
Okay.
So they learned it was a 1 week workshop with us. They learned so many things.
I saw on your page they were learning some styling with the scarf.
Yes, we had styling session as well. And there were other painting classes, rendering classes, tips regarding the rendering of fashion sketches, illustrations, and then textures. So many things they learned, and they were very happy. And that's how the small things, keeps you very busy also during your vacations, and you learn by that side. And skill-based programs are always good. You can be independent any time of your life, and you can just start it.
So one success mantra for all the students who want to pursue jewelry designing, since that has been your forte, and you are the one of the only institutes in Punjab that is providing this kind of training.
Yeah, sure. For jewelry designing students, I would say, because the trends are changing, you have to change your approach towards designing also. Because today also we do appreciate those conventional designs, those bridal kind of things that's like once in life you definitely buy. But if you think about daily wear, or the youngsters, the youth wants that lightweight jewelry, you can get inspiration for that. And you should go for some experimental work that will really hit the market, and some nice concepts can be explored with nature, which are like with different cultures you should explore, not only in India, but you can go for other cultures, Oriental or Italian or Roman. These cultures are equally very beautiful. Like they give us a lot of good motives. So I tell my students to explore different cultures other than India. So that's how they relate, and we feel good wearing different things.
Since India is very much influenced with the Western culture also. So nowadays everybody wants to wear jewelry that is also they can wear with their Western clothes. Not just those heavy conventional sets.
It can be a fusion. Definitely that fusion really attracts everybody. And of course lightweight, because the value of metals like gold is really increasing. So nobody wants to invest too much on this metal. So that's how we are working more on 14 karat instead of 22 karat. So that's how it has gone down, and the quantity has gone down. We are using more of colored gemstones, so that the volume is there, but the gold quantity is less.
And so it's accessible to all.
Yes, make it more pocket friendly and more wearable. So that's the best mantra.
Neeto, bridal jewelry is all into lockers only.
Yes, that's what once in a lifetime you definitely buy those big sets. Maybe it's for your security, parents buy, it's your saving for the future. But yes, Delhi, every day you cannot wear. Har roz ke liye to you need little, fancy or lightweight jewelry, which is more contemporary, less conventional. So that's how it is. So go with the flow.
Thank you so much for the amazing session today, Mrs. Geeta.
Thank you so much, Ashni, and loved the way you have taken this session. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.